basics and behavior, but I voice over it. Yeah. Let's go. I don't wanna go to school though. Oh, who is you? Learning is not fun. I go to a school that I don't wanna go to. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's easier for you, but not for me. Is that supposed to be a pine tree? Oh my god! The pine tree is alive! Girl, put your tongue back in your mouth. Girl, you're pathetic. You're never gonna be evil.
Something away. I don't want to touch it.
Oh, what? You said your best. I'm sorry. OMG, this is going on my TikTok. Yummy snack. Wait, no, I'll be banned for too much gore on my TikTok. No. We don't like Ali. Yeah, my name's Zip. I'm a pine tree. I'm a bloodthirsty teacher. I don't know what I am. Yay, pool time. Aw, man, I hate getting wet. Oh, hi there. I like swimming. Oh my god, this library is so cool. I like this book. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Oh wait, who are you? Oh yeah, my name is Oliver, and the girl in the background is my girlfriend. Oh, but I wanna go into Alice's room. Finally, I stopped falling. Oh my god. Ugh, I'm so tired. My name is Enderding. Where the frick are you? You failed my test too. Book, save me. I don't like books. My name is Pine Tree and you failed my test. Come here, girl. We got you cornered now. Run. And for louder. Oh my god. My Sigma daddy. You're here to save me. Boy, get your nasty hands off of my compass before I come for you. Pookie. Okay, but I'm out. Let's go. Oh my god, holy crap. I ate them. Yay. Oh my goodness, yay. Wait. Is that a demon? How dare you step into my room. Now, you will become my breakfast. Shut up, you're so annoying. She was a fairy. Girl, get away from me. Damn, she really was a fairy. Didn't? Oh crap. Oh no. Oh no. What a freak. I am a monster. God damn it, open. I said you would become my breakfast, so now you're really my breakfast. Oh wow, this hallway is so pretty. Cool book that we saw from the start. Oh, claw marks, cool. Why is the guy on the left emo? Girl, why are you shaking? Oh my god. Cookie! We did a great job, girl. Zip, Oliver! What the hell are you doing? Yeah, you stole my snack! And that's why kids learning is fun.